What is the old town in Las Palmas? Vegueta is the historic heart of Las Palmas, the capital city of Gran Canaria. It's the original settlement from which the city grew, and it's packed with historical landmarks, charming squares, and a vibrant atmosphere. Join us as we step back in time and explore Vegueta, the historic heart of Las Palmas. We'll stroll through the picturesque Plaza de Sant'Anna, marvel at the majestic Catedral de Sant'Anna, and soak in the atmosphere of this captivating district. This vibrant neighborhood holds fascinating stories of Cristoforo Colombo's stopovers in the Canary Islands, and we are diving into that history. Our journey takes us to the Casa de Colón. In this very house, Colombo is believed to have stayed. Now a museum filled with artifacts from his voyages and the Canaries' connection to the Americas. From the bustling Mercato de Vegueta, overflowing with local delicacies, to the hidden corners whispering tales of centuries past. Come along as we uncover the rich tapestry of Vegueta and Colombo's legacy in this captivating corner of Gran Canaria.